Alright, so my name is Okechukwu Joshua Otazi, and I'll still be continuing where I stopped the last time, friends. The last time we met, friends, we talked about the right function, and of course, if we have the right function, we definitely should have the left function. Alright, so how does the left function really operate? Friends, basically the left function operates opposite to what the right function is doing. Alright, so for example, if I just double tap on this particular cell and I say equals to, and I type in the number left, now it's going to tell me that what it does is this: it returns the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. In other words, what the left function is doing is this: it's going to start from left and then read the data to the right. Alright, so it's going to read this text string to right. Alright, so if I just open my bracket over here and I select the text string, alright, so what it's going to do right now, the question we've been asked is that we should extract the first two letters in the product ID. Alright, so it's going to start reading from A down to J and the likes. Alright, so that's basically how the left function is going to operate. So I need to specify the text, then I need to specify the number of characters I want to extract. Of course, I just want to extract the letters, and I can see that the letters just appear in the first two strings of my entire text. Alright, so I'm going to type in the number 2. Alright, so I'm going to close my bracket and click on enter. Alright, right now, friends, you can see that I was able to extract the number AJ. Alright, and if I just drag down from this section to the end, I'm going to extract just the text and then not the number. Alright, so friends, that's basically how we use the left function. At this juncture, friends, I'd like you to delve into your spreadsheet and then practice this section number 2 by yourself. Alright, take care, friends.